In this video, I will show you how to get Google Internet Browser on PS5. So let's jump straight into it. So by default, as you may know, on the PS5, there's not actually an app that you can use to go onto the internet for like Google or something like that. However, there is a workaround to get to google.com. Now, in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is press the PlayStation button on your controller. And once you've done that, you want to come down to Game Base. From here, you want to, on your left hand side, go into your messages, and what you want to do is write a new message to a friend, and you basically just want to put youtube.com. So once you've gone ahead and done that, just go ahead and send that through. Now, once you've done that, just highlight the message by using your D-pad, and then what you want to do is press X onto youtube.com. So what it's going to do is load up youtube.com on the web-based browser, and from here, if you come up to the top right-hand corner and you want to click onto sign in, just up here, then from the sign in screen, if you look towards the bottom, you're going to see privacy. So you want to click onto privacy just here, and from here, what you can do is come up to the top right-hand corner, click onto these 9 dots up here, and you're going to see Google just there. So if you actually press X onto this, it's going to take you to Google, and you can just go ahead and use Google absolutely fine with no problems. So I'm just going to go ahead and type hello and then type search. As you can see, Google is working absolutely fine. So that is how to go ahead and get Google Internet Browser on your PS5. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.